Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play music offline or download music on your iPhone. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. This is going to be a little bit of a long video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. I'll break this down easily though. Alright, let's get right into it. Go to YouTube or wherever you want to find a song that you'd like to download or play offline. So in this case, I'm going to download this video that I guess I'm going to turn into a song. Once you downloaded a video or music that you want to convert or play offline, the next step is to go to the App Store and type in CapCut Video Editor. And if you don't already have it, then you're going to want to download it. Now, open up CapCut. You're going to want to log in, but if you don't want to, you can click the X. Go to the Edit tab, click New Project, and then locate the music track or piece that you want to play music offline. So now you want to edit or trim the video or music piece, but if you're fine and happy with it, then you're going to click Export. And then you want to export this onto your phone, so click Other. And then save the video, or you can save it to the file directly. In this case, we're just going to click Save Video. The next step is you want to open up the App Store and then type in this, or Media Converter. And you're going to want to download this app right here. In this case, I already have it downloaded, so we're going to open it. Basically what this app does, as you can see, is we can convert our video to audio. So click the second option. So you're going to locate your most recent video that you saved or that you want to play music to offline. In this case, it's going to be on the top screen. And you shouldn't want to touch or mess around with anything unless if you really want to, but we're going to be converting it to an MP3 file, and this looks pretty good. So we're going to click this or export. Just click the second option unless if you want 100 times speed and click Start. And now we converted video to MP3, so click on it and then click on the More option. And now you have a couple options. You can save this to your photos, but we're going to click the third option, which is to send or open in. And if we scroll down, we're going to want to click this to save to files. Click back if it's on the iCloud drive, and you're going to want to save this on the second or on my iPhone under the locations. In this case, you can save it here, and then you want to click Save. Now open up the Files tab or the app and click it, and now as you can see, we do have the audio file. A bonus tip is if you want to create this as a specific folder, you can right click that, you can click New Folder, and we're going to name this Music, and then you can even create another folder. And then when you go back, you want to hold your audio piece, and then you can click Move or Copy. In this case, we're going to click Move. And then click on my iPhone, Music, Hardstyle, and then click Move. But you can do this with multiple songs with all of the steps that I just showed you. It's a little time consuming, but it's up to you. You can even play this via Bluetooth or whatever it is you want, if you want to play it offline.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.